Writing an essay isn't just about putting words on paper, it's an act of architecture. You are building a tower of logic designed to make someone see the world from your unique perspective. The foundation of this tower is a single crucial sentence, the thesis statement. It's not just a topic, it's your core argument. Saying, Shakespeare writes about tragedy is like saying you're building a building. It's weak. But saying, through the hamartia of Macbeth, Shakespeare argues that vaulting ambition inevitably leads to social disintegration. That's a blueprint. It's specific, it's arguable. Every paragraph you write must be a pillar supporting this central idea. After you write it, always ask yourself, so what? If your answer explains why the idea matters, you've got a winner. So how do you build those pillars? With a simple, powerful framework. TEEL. Topic sentence, state your point. Explanation, tell us why it's relevant. Evidence, prove it with a quote or a fact from the text. And the link, connect it all back to your main argument. Topic, explanation, evidence, link. This structure turns your paragraphs into self-contained units of logic, each one making your overall tower stronger. But a strong structure needs style to be truly persuasive. This means moving beyond I think. Instead of saying, I think the witches are scary, an academic voice says, the witches serve as an external manifestation of Macbeth's internal corruption. Use precise verbs like examines or critiques instead of just shows. You're appealing to logic or logos with your evidence, but you're also building ethos, your authority as a reliable narrator. This isn't just a school task. The essay is how scientists explain discoveries, how lawyers defend the innocent, and how citizens demand change. When you learn to structure your thoughts with logic and dress them in a sophisticated voice, you're not just writing an essay. You're building influence. You're gaining a superpower.